Module 2, Immersion 8, Mango. Alfonsa mango, Neelam mango, Malgova mango, Kalapadi mango. What's that? That's Alfonso mango. Have you ever eaten that mango? Yes, I've eaten it. Almost every summer, I eat plenty of them. What does that mango taste like? It's sweet, soft, and juicy. Answer the following questions. Prepare a dialogue and then practice it with a friend. How many fruit baskets are there? What do you see in basket 1? How many apples are there in the basket 2? Describe basket 3. What's your most favorite fruit? How many bunches of grapes are there in basket 4? How often do you eat fruits? Why is mango called the king of fruits? Now, time for a game. I call upon Master Aditya to conduct the game. Enjoy.
A game to play. Best juice recipe competition. INCIDE Academy invites you to the competition for the best juice recipe. Drinking fresh juice is the best way to beat the heat and get refreshed and energized in the summer season. On the table over there are 4 baskets filled with delicious mangoes, oranges, bananas, grapes, and pears. Get your hands on your favorite fruits. You are absolutely free to choose, mix, shake up fresh juices, and spice them up. Taste your juice yourself. Make sure your juice has a unique taste and then serve samples to your judges. All in 45 minutes. Your time starts now. We wish you well.
We meet after a break.